Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Swaranjali, and today's topic is all about how to get rid of pimples and acne. So if you want to get rid of pimples and acne, first you have to see how we get pimples or when we get pimples. What are the precautions to be taken that the pimples doesn't get spread, and lastly we'll see how to get rid of it. So watch my video till the end and do try. You will get 100% result within 7 days. So let's start. First, how we get pimples or when we get pimples. Mostly we start getting pimples in our teenage. That is when our body start getting changes. Pimples also happen due to hormonal changes such as pregnancy, thyroid, depression, obesity, because of pollutions, etc. Those who do not keep their face clean also faces this problem. Pimple happens at any age, but commonly people faces this problem till the age of 30. We will know this in detail. Pimple occurs when the sebaceous glands become more active, dead skin cells clogs the pores, and then the infection or the pimple get developed. For example, when we do not wipe the sweat, it dries up on the face, and with that sweat all the dust get into our skin. And when we again and again touches our face with the dirty hands, that is also one of the reason we get pimples. Skin is very delicate, like a baby. You must have noticed when small children put dirty stuffs in their mouth, they get infection in the stomach. Same way, when dust get into our skin get infected, and we can see them in the form of pimples, acne, etc. So if you get pimples suddenly or you already have pimples, then first you have to see that the infection doesn't get spread. It's important to remove the excess oil, dust from your skin. For that you can use mild face wash or soap. If you ask me, I'll suggest Pears glycerin and mint extract soap, which comes in blue. And this soap is good for oily skin. And face wash which I think is best is Himalaya Neem Purifying Face Wash, which also keeps your pH level balanced. Next, you should not touch your face. Avoid as much as you can, especially when you get sweat. For that, you can carry a tissue or a soft hanky. Then, always wash your face before getting on bed. Everyone knows this, but who follows in their daily routine? Try it. Will solve half of your problem related to face. Next, do not poke your pimples. It may cause bleeding, severe scarring, can also increase inflammation and clog surrounding pores, which will multiply the pimples, making your pimple problem worse. What you can do is, you can take an ice cube and you can directly apply it on your skin like this on affected area. Okay. Next, you have to use this daily 3 times a day, or at least 2 times for 5 minutes. You will see changes within 7 days. Ice will reduce the swelling, and for that large painful cyst, a minute of ice can help reduce the pain. Second, you have to make a face pack. For that you will require a multani mitti, then kasturi haldi, which also called as ambe halad. Lastly, you will need a chandan powder, also called as sandalwood powder. Take an equal quantity, mix it well, and keep it in a container like this. You can use any brand, that doesn't matter, and this you will get in any medical store. The chandan powder, the multani mitti, and also the kasturi haldi. If you don't get kasturi haldi, you can go for a haldi, turmeric, okay. And you just have to take a 1 tablespoon if you're going for a haldi. Don't take too much. Daily take plain water and a 1 tablespoon of this mixture or a powder. And mix it well and make a fine paste and apply directly on your face with the help of your fingers or the brush. For making pack, you just have to use water. Don't go for any rose water, whatever. Don't go for anything. You just require water. Let it get dry for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash your face with plain water. Do not scrub the affected area. Remove the face pack very gently without hurting the affected area. Be gentle. See, you can see it's getting dry. I'll wash my face and I'll come back. Okay, I just washed my face. Try this method, both face pack as well as ice cube, daily for 7 days. You will see drastic change within 7 days. But don't stop there. Try this remedy both till the pimples completely goes. So guys, if you like my video, show some love by hitting on the like button and do subscribe and hit on the bell button. Stay tuned for my next video. Thanks for watching.